The whole point is to make it easy and painless. So we have a couple options. One of them's done for you, total white glove setup. But frankly, if you want to go into WealthVoice yourself, open an account, all you have to do is choose an invocation, which is 2 to 3 words. Think of it like your website URL. So financialadvisor.tv, that's your URL. That's the tap, type, and swipe era, right? Like Web 2. And we're not exactly Web 3, but think of that. And then what's the equivalent of a voice URL or homepage? It's your invocation phrase. So Lexi, open asset map. Lexi, open Snappy Kraken. And then you're getting the key information that you would have gotten on their website, but it's quicker, it's warmer, it's hands-free. You can get it in under a minute. So the way that somebody does this, you like drop a logo, choose your invocation, choose your color codes, drop some bios, whether it's featuring team members. Tell me about Adam, tell me about TJ, tell me what's new at Asset Map. And that one, they can change the audio and the graphics anytime. So it's like a dynamic content management system for a web page, but you're controlling the voice response of this one-shot phrase. Beyond that, if they wanted to do updates, like Adam and TJ do a great job. You can hear their updates. You can say, Lexi, Lexi, ask Asset Map for the latest update. And they'll say, we're doing a cool webinar. We just got this award, and here's the newest product that you can use and try this feature set, or, register for this event, whatever they want to share. It's just easy. Like the whole thing is something that someone with no technology experience could go in and set up in under an hour.
And then let's say you're a financial advisor and you already have a podcast. What is the connection there to the skill, and what are the marketing benefits? And if that isn't a softball question, I don't know what it is.
Oh, I love this one. Okay, so first one that comes to mind, Jamie Hopkins, Carson Coaching Framework podcast with Anna. They just sync their RSS feed into WealthVoice. That's it. They set it and forget it. Like they haven't logged in and updated anything in a while, but the content's evergreen and it's grabbing their latest episode. And the thing that's valuable about it is, with a traditional podcast, it's a very one-way street, right? It's passive information consumption, which is fine. Not everything has to be a conversation, but wouldn't it be valuable if you could say, tell me about the host, tell me about Carson, tell me more about this. So we give that extra interactive layer to a podcast. You just sync the RSS feed and then people can get a notification when there's a new update. That's the other key is nobody's going to just find this. Nobody's like, let me go ask my voice assistant what's new at Framework Podcast. There's a notification that lives in the same place as you've got a new package. Your return was accepted. So it's on screen and it's that little gentle ding. You can turn those off if you don't want them to.